Hello
Yeah,
everyone. Good
yeah,
morning. This is batch 25 students, or around 10 students are here from the batch 25, and this we are doing after the 3 months of our course completion. Okay, and this is the agenda of this call is a virtual meet and greet because we are not in Bangalore. Everyone is in different places, different cities, different countries also, possibilities. Okay. So the agenda is like we will meet, we will talk. What do you feel about the batch? Where you are, how much you achieved it. Okay, because see, achievement will happen slowly. And in the starting, I told it's a journey. Means we have to follow the steps, and after that, you will reach into the destination. And never the destination will never come. If you will reach to 20 lakh package, you will feel that I want to go for 30 package. If you reach to some other place, you will feel that no, I want to go in other place also. Okay, with the high package. So it's never ending. Okay, cool. But we have started the things. That's very good. Let's see what exactly I want to share with you. I want to share the success stories of my students. And I've already made lots of stories. Okay. In short, if I will switch on this WhatsApp group of our batch 27, I was just searching the congratulations. Okay. Lots of congratulations are already here, and means lot of students are also placed in this group. Okay. So if you will see here, what exactly it is. Anyone who want to start the things, you can just give me your name. I don't need your full name. How much is your overall experience? And after the course completion, how much is your confidence? And where are you right now? And how many offers? If you will just give a percentage hike also, it will be good. I don't need an exact number, but you got from your current package 100%, 90%, 70%, whatever it is, and you are making the counter offers or not, like that, because what these all things we learn into our classes, right? Chalo, let's start. Who will be the first?
yeah. I'll start
Cool,
because so
cool, cool, Shubhanshu.
name Shubhanshu. Experience is total 7 years.
Cool, very good. When you joined, it was 6 years. I remember.
Yeah, it was 6.5.
Okay.
SHU, BHA, and SHU.
अरे ठीक है, it's okay, it's okay. HUBHANSHU. Cool,
Yeah,
good,
experience is 7 years.
cool, very good.
Yep. So after the course confidence and knowledge, I just want to tell you one thing.
Good, good.
Like I had a knowledge few of the tools like Jenkins, Artifactory, Sonar Cubes, and those were the on-premises knowledge I had.
I remember.
And AWS, also basic knowledge I have already got it with the online tutorials and all. So
Okay.
when I joined this course, like so many things I have got to know, like for example, Terraform,
Correct.
Docker, Ansible, Kubernetes. So because every time when I'm going for the interviews before joining this course, they used to ask the question on this side. I always tell them no, I don't have a knowledge, and immediate no, we are looking for a
Person,
person who have a knowledge on these
I agree.
areas.
I absolutely
Okay,
agree with your point.
yep. So then when I saw this course, even I got even I'm fully active in Facebook, but I don't know why I have seen this batch 25. If I have seen long back only, I should have joined long back this course, maybe in batch 17 or at least 15 batch I have joined it. I delayed it. It was a like very like uh, bad thing. I don't know how it missed it, but when I joined it, I know multiple things I have learned it. But after joining this course, and as per my experience, one thing I have learned it, like whatever I have got basic knowledge, I have got it, but as per my experience, basic knowledge was not enough.
Correct. I agree.
So
I agree with your point.
if they were asking the question related to Docker file creation or maybe Kubernetes and all, I was able to answer it. But when they are going for my experience based,
Correct.
th- that was the complete issue was there. I was not able to solve it.
Seven
So
years, the number is
yeah,
big, right?
yeah, number
And
is
you
big.
are asking a big package also.
Yeah, yeah. So to enhance that, whatever the course knowledge I have got it, that I already documented it and I already prepared according to that. For
Correct.
example, if someone is asking a basic, I have to answer this.
Yep.
If they are going for a higher things, I have prepared for that also.
Yep.
Like by going
Agree.
to the Google, even one thing I have got to know from the Monu, like I was fully frustrated because I was giving an interview a lot, but I was not getting a success on that. So
Okay.
one day I called a Monu, and Monu have gave me a good idea that
What is that?
like Shubhanshu, whatever the question they are asking it, if you are not able to answer it, just note it down and prepare it for the future. So almost now I can say that I have approximately in my mind, I have a more than 1,000 questions I have.
Hey, no, man, you have to write it down and give it to us. It will be
So
beneficial for my next.
I already shared one PDF. I already shared one
Okay.
PDF
Uh,
related to that only.
okay, I will also read it. Okay, I will add all that questions, okay, which you faced it in our next batches. Okay, it will be good.
Yeah. So from basic question to that high level of questions. And
Yeah,
one thing I have noted that interviewer will never get happy. If you are going to answer one question, he will ask one more thing. If I'll
obviously.
give you a simple story related to a deployment strategy. Okay, first they ask what you are following. I told rolling based method, rolling based
Yeah.
strategy. Then they told, do you know that blue and green? I was not aware of that. Then I prepare
After
for
blue
blue.
and green, the canary is coming.
Yeah,
Okay.
then I prepare for a blue green, then they ask the cranberry. Then I was fully like, if I prepared one, then again the new one is coming, again new one. I was like that only, but I have noted down, like at least I used to tell them, no, I'm following this only. I
Correct.
have knowledge, but I have not implemented it. Like
Correct.
that, I used to, I started answer it.
Yep.
Similar way, they used to trick me in the Kubernetes part because hands-on is there for that our
So,
learning purpose, but enterprise edition how Kubernetes work, that experience I don't have. So
Anshu,
similar
I
way,
just want to know how many years of DevOps you added into your resume.
4.8.
4.8 DevOps, right?
Yeah,
That's
DevOps.
the thing. That's why
Yeah.
we are going more deeper. Okay.
Yes,
Because
yes.
I'm always telling my course is for 5 to 6 years of DevOps experience is enough. You can write it. Okay. You, okay, cool. I will ask the package in the last. Okay. Not now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good, good.
So initial to get one offer was a very big challenge for me.
Okay.
So I just played little bit smart. So
Uh,
what I did, I have taken one offer where I'm currently working it, the technology where I'm very strong.
okay.
So I have taken that one offer letter from that technologies, and
Okay.
after that I start hunting into my key area where I have already thought I have to get offer letter on that.
Okay.
And initial on during my notice period 2 months I struggle a lot, but when I
Correct.
came to a 1 month notice period,
Okay.
in a single day almost 4 to 5 interviews are there. Even one HR is calling me on my phone, and second HR is already on a waiting that call. So
Good.
like
That's
that,
good.
that is the four interviews I have given, and almost big MNCs I have cracked it, and a few of the MNCs I'm not happy with that because their interview process and all, they have taken
Amazing.
7 to 8 interviews, and later on they are telling that position got hold, and after that they are telling it's now open, will you be joined? Then I did simply say that no, I'm not going to
That
join.
I agree. That I agree. It happens.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a very common thing. No need to worry for that part because see, if let's take an example, you take 5 offers, okay, you will join only one, right? And you will reject four. So they will feel that it's filled. Now it's open because the candidate has rejected it.
Yeah.
I feel that
So
this thing is happening very commonly. Every candidate has more lots of offers and then they are rejecting it.
yeah. And before joining this call, I had an interview with Sony also, 10 to 11.
Okay.
So I already gave that interview, and that interview went well.
Good.
So
Good.
so more hope maybe Monday I will get a news from Sony also. So
How many rounds
currently
happen? How many rounds happen for Sony?
only they had a one round because right now it's like only 20 days left. So only one round they are taking, that is manager is taking, and
Good.
after that that's HR and all. So
Good.
that's the thing. So
I
I
will
have
tell
a
I
offer
will tell you
from,
Sony is giving a very good package. Okay.
yeah, even nowadays you don't have to ask this thing, what we call as a amount also. If you're telling you have a offer and they are asking the offer amount, and uh, by default they are telling a unexpected amount. Even yesterday I had a call with one of recruiter. He
Hmm.
told, okay, you have a this much, I can offer you almost. He have gave me like I was expecting 10%, but he have mentioned approximately 30% on that offered CTC. I was completely shocked. I was about to say that no, you are paying me high, you should reduce the cost, but I thought, okay, let it be. Whatever he is telling, let me give the interview first. After that, we'll discuss the CTC part, what he is going to offer.
It's good. How many offers till now?
For now, I have, I think, 5 or 6. I didn't count it.
5 or 6 offers. Cool.
Yeah.
And you are getting a good hike, I feel that you are really very happy. What it is?
Yeah, I am getting offers, but till now I have not, got one offer like where I can think, okay, now I have to join this organization like
It
that.
will never
That
happen.
is
Okay,
no, no.
because small startups will give a high package to you. Is this
Yeah,
happening?
yeah, that's happening. Even I gave the interview in Alstate also. I was more
Okay.
confident on that. Like it will be that interview. Even I reached till salary discussion also.
Okay.
And I later on they come up like, no, we have got one more, good candidate as compared to you with the less salary and all. Then
Less salary.
because
That matters. That matters. Okay.
yeah, so this is the thing. But I was, full sure about that. I will join the Alstate.
Okay.
Cisco also I have got the offer, and
Good, Cisco is very good.
yeah, Cisco is good, but again that I'm thinking like maybe something.
मीटिंग चल रही है अभी एक
No, no,
What?
it's
मीटिंग
not
चल
like
रही
that.
है एक
Gaurav, mute. Yeah. See,
Yeah,
you are thinking about Cisco also, okay? Not thinking about
no,
Cisco.
I know Cisco, but it's like a third party payroll basically. I
Okay.
got that's the reason.
See,
So
Cisco, most of the time they will hire with the third party payroll. Okay.
yeah,
I agree.
so yeah, even Marsh McLennan I have a offer. Also, I have got the offer from Trundle.
Okay. Cool. Cool.
Apart from that, Modi we care, I as I already told you,
Okay.
and
Okay.
what we called uh, yeah, Allstate is already in progress. Sorry, it was a immediate lab where that I was expecting the offer, but they told like sorry, we cannot go through with that. Allstate offer is in progress. Most probably Monday I will receive it,
That's
and yeah, some others interviews already scheduled. Even I also got a call
when is
from
the
my
last day? When is the last day?
14th of October is my last working day.
Okay, means still 20 days are there, right?
Yeah,
Good.
even I also got a call from my previous company also. They are also want me to telling just come back if possible.
Correct. Correct.
So I told them okay, just go through with the process. I'll see that. Like that, I told them.
Now this is confidence, okay? This is the confidence, right?
Yeah, even now in the upcoming days, I have a interview with some other companies also. I can say that. So Monday also I have an interview with the company name. I can say that the company name. I'm not getting the invite.
Okay,
Yeah,
maybe
Airbus.
Air-
Monday I have an interview with
Airbus is a very
Airbus,
good. Yes, that's good. Very good.
and also maybe Monday I will get a call from one more ASAP. One organization is there from there also.
Cool, cool.
Even one company is there, Signa. There also I have cleared the interview. Only that final round is pending.
Can I
So
change it to 5 ki jagah in place of 510? Is
uh,
it you?
no, no, first once it will come the offer, I will definitely tell you at the
Okay,
end what is the number over
cool,
there.
cool. And how much is the, no, I don't need a number. From your current package, how much percentage hike you got it?
More than 100.
More than 100, 150 or more than
No, it's a 120, 120%. That's
50%?
on a fixed CTC basically. I
I
didn't include an
think
variable.
this is really good, right? This is
Yeah.
only I was expecting from my candidates. Okay, see, I never told that ki you will get a job within 1 month or within 1 week, right? It's a
No,
journey.
yeah, you are correct, Vikas. The thing is, I can say that struggle was there. Even I was a lot of frustrated, even so many times,
See,
with
this thing
fam.
will not come free of cost, right? None of the
Yeah,
person is ready to pay beyond your expectation, right?
yeah. I used to watch lot of videos and all. There, they used to tell us success won't come in one shot. It will
Obviously,
take a time.
obviously,
So
obviously.
even sometime I used to curse the God also. What you are doing? I'm doing so much
See,
good and all, but you are not getting
I
and
know
all.
the thing. That's why I'm making this call every 3 months, right? Because see, things will not happen over the night. Only very lucky or very so chances also there, always there. Okay, because we saw that our freshers students got a job, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Ankit is here. I think
yeah,
Monu, you also got a job in the what we can say training duration.
yeah. Monu also got it.
Yeah, so like see, it's happen. It's not like that. But see, sometimes it matters also how we are presenting the thing. What is our past? We don't have to forget our past, right?
Yes,
Because
yes.
see, we are moving from another profile, we are switching the profile, and we have to get the internal confidence also that, yeah, because of this, because of the learning, because of my struggle, your struggle, every struggle, okay, and we get it. But at the end, this number is good or not, this is making happy or not,
Yeah.
right? For the next 1 year, at least you will be happy, right? After next 1 year, you will feel
I think next 1 year will be a full struggle for us because changing a stream is also a big task, and
see,
to get the things done on time, it's
you
also a
did the thing,
challenge.
you did the thing, right? You learn the thing. If you will follow the instructions, okay, if you have to, obviously you have to explore more things, right? If you will do it, you will able to. Or our group is always there, put the things there. If you are not able to achieve it, put the things. We have an experienced person in our group, we have to get the answer, we will make the answers.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mm.
cool, cool, good, nice, nice. Suvanshu, what else?
Nothing, just going on.
Cool, no worries. Whatever the company you join, okay, just give me the word, okay, the name, that's it.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Even I definitely, before joining any company, I will give you a call also,
Yep,
because
we will
uh,
discuss.
like some companies are there which are giving a very good, for example, company name Modi VK Labs.
Okay,
It's a like company, old company. It's a US based, product based company.
okay,
But I think 8 months back they came to India, Bangalore. They have opened their office.
okay.
Oh, so they are also giving on-site opportunities also there. Apart from that good package and everything, but again, like 8 months old, they
Don't
came
have
to
to worry.
Bangalore.
See, sometimes it happens. Okay, I also get some offers from the very good, very small company. Okay, 20 members in India. They are giving a unlimited hike. We can say. Okay, there is no count for that. The number is also very high.
Yeah,
Okay,
even I spoke to their counterpart who's working in the US zone.
okay,
So by discussing the technical terms and all, what is the technology I have to work it, what is the work and all culture,
correct. Good,
they
good.
have explained me it looks good. Only that concern what I came in my mind, that's the 8 months ago they have opened the office over
Exactly.
here.
I agree. Okay. See, because sometimes we need a very stable job, right?
Yes, yes. No, that situation is like that only. If life was single, then it's okay, take a risk and go it. But now it's a dependents are there, so that need
But
to
I
be
will tell
taken.
you for on-site, you don't have to worry. Okay, on-site, most of the companies will be new only, which TCS, Infosys, Wipro. If we get an on-site opportunity from them, it's very good. Okay, otherwise, so definitely we have to go for a small company only.
Even TCS and
No, no, no. I
I
don't want to discuss. I don't want to discuss any particular company. No, no. This call is
these
not
co-
for that. No, 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 no. No,
I
not for that. This call is
even
not for that.
Amazon also. I have very bad experience with them also.
Good, good. See, it depends on the candidate to candidate. Okay.
But at least if you are asking that, are you available on this time? If I have some issue, if I'm telling no, you can make it maybe after 1 hour without discussing thing, they are sending an email. Sorry, you are not selected. That hurts more. Like almost I cleared six barriers, and the seventh barrier, which is the final barrier, and there you are giving me a slot which is not suitable for me. If I'm declining it, you are sending me a resignation. Oh, sorry,
Yes,
rejected email. That's not acceptable, basically.
okay. I agree. I agree with the point. It happens. Okay. So it depends on the human being. It depends on the HR. It depends on the not. It's not a company policy. It depends on the person to person. Okay. No worries. Cool. Cool. Good. Good.
And one thing I just want to thank Monu also. That night I was, full too much in frustrated mode, but the idea he have given, even if you see that almost, I can show you. So
Cool.
many
Good.
notebooks are there, which I made it, all the notes and that questions and everything I have written it. So thank you, Monu, for guidance on that night. I can say that. So which helped me a lot.
Correct. The intention of creating a group also means making a friends. Okay. We have to, obviously we have to take help each other. Okay. Because see, if we are getting a good group of the same intention, we learn together, means you are getting your school friends, college friends, right? You can say that your colleagues, your friends who learn the DevOps with you, right?
Yep.
The intention of making this, because see, everyone will help on their level, right? See, you are 7 years experience, so you will get a help from the 10 years or 9 years or five. Even fresher also can help in some cases.
Yes, yes. Even Monu told that at the end you will get call like a hell, and you will not. You have to say no to them. And
Correct.
similar now, the same thing is happening. They are telling just give us a 45 minutes of time from your calendar. We will schedule an interview according to that.
It's a algorithm. Okay, it's not a human being term. It's a algorithm will do that part. If your profile is good, they will call you a lot because your profile will show up to all the HRs. That's the reason. Okay, that we don't have the control of that part.
Yeah.
Cool, cool, good, nice. I'm happy, Subhanshu. Very happy for you. Okay, five of us is a very good number within 3 4 month duration. 120% hike in 6 month duration is a good. Okay, I'm happy.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you.
Now, Monu, you get a second reference. Okay, where are you? Monu, your voice is not coming. Monu, I'm not able to hear you. Check your mic.
Hello, is it audible?
Yes, yes, Monu, it's audible.
Okay. So yeah, currently I am in Bharti Airtel. I think I have already posted in the
Yep.
interview, like in the WhatsApp group.
Correct, correct, correct. Cool, cool, good, good, nice.
Yeah.
And
So
what is your overall experience?
I have around 3.8 years.
Okay, cool. See, Subhanshu, Monu is 3.8 only, okay? And he is helping you. Correct?
Yeah, he helped me with the. I can say that he motivates me on that part
Correct.
because that was a needed at that time, and I used to discuss with lot of people.
I agree.
But the way he gave me the thought, because like I have seen that if they are asking a basic question, I'm able to answer. But if immediate they are going for a little bit higher things, I was getting a problem to answer that because of knowledge is not the hands-on knowledge was not there at that
Because
depth
we are
level.
adding 5 years experience as a DevOps engineer.
Yeah.
I think Monu get a job because his experience is less and he was into the training period only and he get a job very quickly.
Yeah, yeah, that was the reason.
Yes.
If
Cool, cool.
if I would have mentioned the less experience in DevOps, then I would have not got that much hike also, I think so.
Hike also matters, right?
Yeah,
Hike and package is depend on this number only.
yeah.
Cool, cool, good, good, nice, nice. Yeah, Monu, go ahead. 3.8 years
Yeah.
experience. How many, I think how many months already happened to join Airtel? Uh,
Around June I have joined. So it's
June,
like
July, August,
June, July.
4 months, right? Five
Yeah,
months. Cool,
5 months. Yes.
very good. Nice. I'm very happy.
Thank you.
And how's the job going on?
Yeah, it's going good. So we are getting to learn so many things.
Yep,
So whatever technology like we have learned in the course, so now I'm just applying it. And on top of that, I'm also learning so much thing because
obviously.
if you go into a project, so you will get to know new technologies, new stuff will come. So that like it's every day, like it will be so much learning is there. So I will be going to Google or some websites. So yeah, it's a very good thing, and it's like I feel like I'm growing each like one by day, like I'm just growing and increasing my knowledge. So
Correct.
yeah, that thing is like very good, and that feeling is very nice. Like I'm in a very good place. So like that environment. So these actually motivates and give so much confidence, like which I cannot express also.
Correct. Correct. Cool. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Cool.
Yeah. So about course, just I wanted to tell something.
Yep, yep,
So like
definitely.
when I joined, yeah. So when I joined the course, so I was having a little bit knowledge, but not that hands-on. So I had also given some interviews prior to the course, but that time like they will be asking some scenario questions. So
Obviously.
that time they will trick me. So I will be like literally blank. So because I don't have that knowledge of like how the system, like how the installing or any issues is coming, so how to react to that situations. So
Correct.
that was lacking in my knowledge. So
Correct.
when I joined, so the like course curriculum was structured like that, that every like tools we have learned one by one,
Yep.
and hands-on was there.
Correct.
So that like I was just observing how it is happening, how people are getting issues in WhatsApp group, or
Correct.
like we are discussing also in weekends, or like people will come with their issues. So I will think, okay, let me try also,
Correct.
because sometimes issues will be like that, I'm not getting that issue but some person is getting. So these
Correct.
things will be there. So it's all like how experience and how much you are into the technology, how much hands-on you are doing, how much effort you are putting.
Obviously.
So that, yeah. So
Oh,
that thing like was like I got in the badge, and that helped me a lot. And in the interviews, if people will asking one question, I will give three answers, three like scenarios of that
Correct.
this will happen, that will happen. So
Correct.
like this will kind of give a very good experience to that interviewer also. They will think, okay, the people has think a lot about the situation, or the technology is very much hands on. So
Correct.
that these things will show in your resume also, or in the interview also. So that will help a lot. And
Correct.
with that only I got around I can say eight, but eight offers I got. So in
Eight
Geo I
offers.
got,
My God, I
yes.
was not aware about that part.
Yeah, actually, I was already trying for product-based company. I was simply saying I don't want service-based like that, because I thought that okay, I know now I have got to such experience. Or because in like mock also, when we are talking, or
Correct.
in the class also, I thought yeah, I know little bit. And also I've done
That's good.
certifications
That's
like
good.
Terraform certified, AWS also. I
Cool.
did solution architect associate
Cool.
now only, but it's still the things we have learned from the course. So that, and also I just prepare the notes what you have taught, and from outside also you suggested some of the courses and some
Yeah.
books
Correct.
which
Correct.
is in the our drive folder.
Correct.
So those stuff really help, and I got certified in that. So that also give a very good motivation.
Cool. Cool. Nice. Nice. How much hike you got from your that in the course when you are into the course, and how much is the percentage hike? I don't need a number. I need a percentage hike or maximum offers hike.
Yeah, so maximum offer hike I got around percentage 130%, and
Cool.
if I join the joining bonus, it's 150.
Cool. Cool. That's 150. Let me make it as a 150% hike only. Because joining bonus also will come to you only, right?
Yes, it already came.
Cool. Cool. Very good. Very good. Nice. I'm happy. And Monu,
Thank you.
don't stop. Okay. Do the certification, learn it. Okay. After 1 year, this 150% will again come. Okay. After
Correct.
1 year, this 150% can again come up. Okay. And I'm always with you. Okay. I'm developing one
Thank
more advanced level course. Okay. For my old students. Okay.
Okay.
And definitely you will be there. Okay.
So yeah, thank you so much.
Cool. Cool. Good. Nice. Nice. That's good. What about others? Gaurav, Ankit.
Because give me 10 to 15 minutes. I will about to reach my home, then I will start.
Okay, okay, fine, fine, sure, Gaurav. What about Ankit? Ankit, where are you?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yes, I remember this voice. You are telling this, sir, always. The face also, I remember. You given lots of mock interviews to me, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
Cool, cool.
yes.
How's your job going on? Where are you?
Sir, it's very good. And I am in PAYTM.
Correct. Yes, I remember.
And yes, it's means काफी अच्छी चल रही है जॉब.
Okay, good, good, nice. That's good.
Yes, and
और
काफी चीजें सीख भी रहा हूँ. Learning काफी हो रही है.
that's really required. Okay, हमें सीखना ही है क्योंकि सीखेंगे तभी ग्रो होंगे. अंकित, अभी how much is your experience now?
और सर इन टेक्निकल में तो
नहीं, हाँ छोड़ो, टेक्निकली बोलो, टेक्निकल बोलो कितना है?
अभी इसी में 5 months का हुआ है.
Okay, cool. Or Paytm is very good company. Okay.
Yes,
Cool.
yes.
5 months I have to return it.
5 months, yes.
Correct. Cool, cool. That's good. And yeah, अभी तक और you tried any other offer or anything again or not?
सर एक्चुअली अभी इसमें क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट जॉब है तो ये सोच रहा हूँ अभी 1 year का यहाँ पे कर लूँ जॉब, फिर उसके
Correct.
बाद ट्राई करूँ.
More
वैसे
than
भी
1 year. Okay,
yes,
stay more than 1 year because learning is always required.
यस. वैसे एक चंडीगढ़ से ऑफर नहीं था, मतलब इंटरव्यू के लिए कॉल आया था. वो 5 lakhs के लिए बोल भी रहे थे, लेकिन वहाँ ट्राई नहीं किया.
छोड़ो, कोई 5 lakhs बहुत कम है, छोड़ो, ठीक है?
यस सर.
Next year, 1 year, after 2 years, you will get beyond that. Okay, just stay 2 years in this company, you will get a very good hike, double, triple. Okay,
यस सर.
call me after 1 year. Okay, and
थोड़ा
triple.
पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा.
Obviously, obviously. Okay, सीखना भी पड़ेगा और
यस सर.
1 साल 2 साल आराम से इस कंपनी 1 साल मिनिमम दो और more than 1 year दो. Okay, then again call to me. Good. You will get a very good hike. I'm very happy.
यस सर.
Cool. And yep, कुछ anything you want to say, Ankit? कुछ बोलना है कोर्स के बारे में, किसी भी चीज के बारे में?
यस सर. काफी नॉलेज मतलब आपके ये डेवऑप्स के कोर्स से हुई, क्योंकि पहले मतलब नहीं आता था मुझको उतना।
करेक्ट। अरे अभी भी
Yes.
कॉन्फिडेंस तुम्हारे अंदर थोड़ा सा कम है, इंग्लिश सीखो थोड़ी, ठीक है? क्योंकि आंसर इंग्लिश में देने हैं। मतलब अपन लोग हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं, दैट्स ओके।
सर नहीं, इंटरव्यू में तो इंग्लिश अच्छे से बोल रहे थे।
करेक्ट, कूल कूल। मतलब थोड़ा और, मतलब और थोड़ा सा आप कम्युनिकेशन पे भी काम करो, ओके? क्योंकि
यस सर, यस।
तो अब तुम्हें डबल और ट्रिपल पैकेज कराएगा ना, नॉलेज तो तुम्हारा ऑटोमेटिकली बढ़ेगा, ओके? यू विल गेट नॉलेज बिकॉज यू आर वर्किंग, बट हाउ योर कम्युनिकेशन विल कम, यू हैव टू, आई विल गिव सम बुक्स, ओके, और सम
यस यस
ऑडियो बुक्स, ओके? जस्ट उसे वॉच करो और मूवीज देखो, एटलीस्ट कम्युनिकेशन पे थोड़ा सा काम करोगे, इट विल बी गुड, ओके?
यस यस।
Cool, cool. No worries. You are a fresher. That's why this type of advice is coming to
And
you.
don't think about anything like don't try to translate in your mind. I think you are doing a translation in your mind before speaking any words. You are doing a translation. I know you are from my hometown only. I
Yes.
know it. I was also in the same stage when I was a fresher. I used to do a translation in my mind. Okay, but stop doing a translation. Just start speaking whatever is coming in your tongue and mouth. You just start saying translation. Once you stop the translation, you will start speaking in English. That's the best thing about the communication, I can say that. If you're telling it if you're saying a wrong words also acceptable, it's okay, I'm learning it.
मतलब
Yes.
ऐसे
If
बोलो,
someone is
बोलो,
if
बस
some
बोलो, बस कोई
yeah, if
टेंशन नहीं।
someone is correcting you also, just learn from him. Don't get hype or something like that, why you are correcting me like that. Just take it, okay, thank you, just move on. But start to doing a try to communicate with people in English also, English only. I know you are in hometown because you have to talk to people in Hindi, and maybe after 2 weeks now I am also talking in English, but after 2 weeks once I'll also reach over there, I will also switch it to that same language. I know it's a problem with us, I accept it, so don't worry about that. So but if you, because sometimes what happen in the interview, you have to be more round the table, you have to go.
Correct.
So for that, if your communication will be good, then you can easily make it that people to go around and they will not come and point your mistake. You can play around and you can get rid of, okay, now my job is done, let it be, let them play here and there.
Yes.
Great, great. Nice, Ankit, nice. Okay. Prepare well. Okay. करते रहो। अच्छा
Yes,
बेटा।
sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good, good. Who is other? Anyone else? Rahul, Raj, Ashutosh, Chef. Hey, Chef, where are you? Chef Rahman Khan. Guys, unmute.
क्या हुआ? नहाए नहीं अभी तक?
Chef, Rajkamal, Rahul. Anyone want to say anything? Okay, no, then cool, guys. I'm really very happy. Okay, do progress, do success, inform to us, inform in a group. Really very good. Okay, I'm very happy. Yep. Okay, I'm stopping the recording. Let's talk something more. Okay. Shubhanshu is my student, and how many calls he is getting. Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Shubhanshu, great.
so after updating my Naukri profile, you can see if I go here,
Yes.
my search preference in the
800 every day, 700, 800 every day. Here is the trend showing.
yeah, you can see last 7 days
Correct.
3015, and if I go for a past 90 days, the
Correct. Correct.
count will be 25,187. The
Correct.
day when I updating these skills like DevOps, AWS, Kubernetes, so these are the things, then we start searching it. So you guys can refer to my what how
Your
this
resume,
profile.
your resume, that's it.
Yeah,
Because of everything is their resume. If whatever is written into the resume, the algorithm is picking that resume.
yeah, see, you can see all the key things we have mentioned, like build and release, RDS, load balancing, IAM, EC2, AWS, Splunk, Jenkins, Linux, Git, ITL, Kubernetes, DevOps, Prometheus, Docker.
Cool,
So
cool. That's good. And show your calendar, how many calls every day you are getting it. See,
I'll show you from that beginning itself. May I'll ignore it. June, here
correct.
you can see.
At least one call per day, at least 1 or 2 calls per day, right?
July, you can see almost every day I have received a call. Few days you can, and one day I have got at least 4 calls.
4 interviews scheduled, okay, not a
Schedule,
call.
yeah.
Call,
Yeah,
so you are getting 20, 30 per day, right?
yeah,
4
four,
interview has been scheduled in one day.
yeah, and in the same with goes to the August also, you can see almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 interviews
Correct,
in one day.
correct.
So
Good, man, good. See,
similar way in the month of September, like that is there, and still I'm giving interviews back to back.
correct. You have to, okay, if you want to improve, if you want to get a very good high package, definitely we have to do something. And Sumanshu, really, you are doing a very hard work, okay, beyond my training. That's why you are getting a job, okay. Full credits goes only to you.
Thank you, Vikas. But your guidance was very important for me,
I agree.
because if I'll tell you the truth, I was not aware of this Terraform things and Kubernetes and Docker. But once I got the
Yeah.
basics, I made it strong, and after that I start working on my experience level,
Yeah.
and based on that, I made it, successful these interviews.
Absolutely. So Manshu, really, you have five offers because of you given 50 interviews. That's why five plus or 10 offers are came to you. Okay. Because see, some student they will not give that much interview. Everyone will get frustrated in first 10 interviews. Okay. But from the 10 interviews, whatever we learn, that matters. And within 20 interviews or within 15, you may get a one offer. Right. So it happens with not only with one person, it happens with every person. Okay.
Yeah, but just one thing I just want to tell to all students, like keep trying. Don't
Keep
get
trying. Correct.
keep trying. If you get failed also, that's okay. You just note down what are the mistakes you have did it,
Correct.
and is try to recall your interview, what question they have asked,
Yep.
and did you answered correctly or not. If you answered correctly, you will get a more confidence. Yes, I answered correctly. If you have answered wrong, just try to get the correct answer and prepare it for the future. Definitely that question will comes around to you.
Because questions are same only. Okay, new questions, very rarely new questions are there, but questions will be very similar. If I'm asking this one question with Subhanshu, I will ask the same question with Ankit or with the what we can say Monu, everyone, right?
Yeah, even basics also you have to clear. Sometime, all of a sudden I was saying that Kubernetes architecture I have explained very well, but all of a sudden they have asked what Kubernetes version you are using.
Yeah, obviously that's a very
Ye-
simple answer. Okay, simple. The
yeah,
very
simple
first
answer.
line, and we are creating a Kubernetes GK engine. In that also the version is there,
Yeah,
but we
so but if you have not noticed that small things also,
correct.
it will again create a bad impact. They will easily get to know that you have only theoretical knowledge, you don't have a practical knowledge.
I agree.
And I have faced such issues where I was also went into a blank state. What will I tell? The numbers and all.
Correct.
So that's also one key things to get it done, because they will also ask such questions like, okay, you are using Docker, which version you are using?
Correct.
Then if you won't able to answer it, they will definitely understand you have a only theoretical knowledge, you don't have a practical knowledge.
Correct.
Same thing happened with me many times. So they asked me which version you're using in that. So I didn't answer that.
And if you have not done a hands-on experience, you can tell them that you have done a POC. That will be the best safe answer.
POC, the word itself tells that you haven't worked it on the real time, but you did your research on that.
So even so many times, like now people have asking me question related to Prometheus and Grafana.
Hmm.
So I know that if they will go on a deep on that monitoring tool, definitely I won't be able to answer, because I'm not using as a full page. So I
Hmm.
used to fetch them into a app dynamics area, because there I have done a lot of work.
I
So
know.
I used to tell them, you can ask a question on app dynamics, I will be happy to answer by from A to Z. Like that I used to trick them and answer them.
This is the trick. Okay, we have to redirect also. It's required. Cool.
The one thing I want to add.
Yeah, Monu, go ahead.
Yeah. So within interviews, you will get so many questions. So, but what pattern I have observed that for every topic, there is 15 to 20 questions which will be repeated if you go to any interview. So
Yes,
That's
just
yes,
true.
note
he's
down.
correct. Yeah, he is correct. I prepared the same thing. Like he gave me the idea on that. Then I realized, yeah, in the 2, 3 question, they have asked me a question related to a deployment strategy, and I didn't prepare it. Okay, let me prepare this also.
Correct.
Similar way, like earlier, I was more focused on the AWS side. Now people have stopped asking a question into AWS itself. Only they are asking which services you are using And when I explain the service, okay, let's move to a Docker and Kubernetes.
Because see, the trend is going on. If they don't want to pay it for the another provider, right? They are ready to pay you as a salary because you will implement the open source tool. That's why DevOps is getting popular.
Correct. Just like we can prepare a notebook, have all the tools name in it and 15 to 20 pages and write down all the questions and answer. Like
Yep.
top, like you can go to Google or any website or anywhere in the like our docs also and just note down the best answer you can give and
And
just revise that answers, that notebook. So that will be
yeah,
beneficial.
even also that practical things, like sometime what they will ask you to share your screen, write it on the Docker file code, and YAML code of the Kubernetes, and also Terraform code and all. So you just things, prepare the small things, I can say that. For example, Terraform, every time they have asked me a question related to VPC creation. So
Correct.
I know, like cider information, private information, public information, that need to be there.
Correct.
You don't have to write an exact code, but that piece of that curly braces code, if you have write it, they will get to know that yes, you have written the code in your career.
Correct.
Yes,
Correct.
same for me happened twice actually. I was giving you the
Gaurav,
interview
switch on
and
the camera. Gaurav, switch on the camera if you are at home.
yeah, just
Guys, switch on the camera. Yes, discussion is going very healthy. Okay. Yes, it should be good.
Even same happened with me. I have written the Docker file, then they ask, okay, use the expose also over there, mount the volume also over there,
Correct.
like that. Use the multiple dependencies thing into a Docker file also, like that. They have asked multiple things over there.
Cool, cool, good, good, good. I never saw Gaurav earlier, I feel.
Is opening the
am I
window.
visible?
No, your
Window.
backside is visible. You have to switch on. Yeah, correct. Cool, cool.
Nah, hi Vikas.
Hi, Gaurav.
Actually, yes, same thing happened for me actually in few interviews. Like I said, like I have the hands-on experience on the creation of the YML file. So they
Correct.
said, okay, share your screen, and they gave a link to me, and that one website is open, and I used to write the code, like how to exactly deploy that particular Nginx application in any of that server.
Correct.
So they try to check like whatever the experience you have, you are able to write the YAML code or not. So twice I faced the same thing in that YAML
Okay.
creation file.
Cool, cool. No worries, no worries. It's okay. See, Gaurav, I remember how many interviews you given till now? One or
Not
two?
I did not have a count exactly. So maybe
Okay.
most probably 8 interviews I
Okay.
did.
And how many
So
offers?
out of that 10, yeah, 4 offers I have. And currently yesterday only I resigned that my current organization, and
Right,
I
right.
asked to my manager, and then I suddenly write a mail. So he was like why are you leaving the company and blah blah things. Please don't send the mail. I won't accept it that right now.
Good,
So
good.
that happened. So anyway, I had to leave the organization, and my shift ended at 10:30 in the night. So I just write a mail, and I sent a mail to the manager at 10:29.
Good, nice. That's good. That's good. And
Yeah,
you,
even
Yes.
I remember I gave the interview in EPAM, and Gaurav have sent one question related to EPAM to get the IP. Even same question I have faced in EPAM. Same question I have faced.
good, 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 good,
Yes,
good.
yes.
The intention of making a group is the same thing because everyone is going for the same kind of companies. Okay, your intention, your job profile will be same, or what we can say, your what you learned the same thing, right? If you will discuss the questions, it will be beneficial for someone else for sure.
I just wanted to add one thing.
Yep, yep, yep.
Yeah. So one strategy which I took is I just created a Git repo and I
Okay,
just make a like different folder for Docker, Kubernetes,
correct.
scripting part,
Yep.
Git. So what I did is daily I will be practicing. So
Okay,
I will be just putting all the whatever content I have studied today into that repo and in that folder. So it will be like you will be having your own notes
correct.
and you can just put that Git repo in the resume also. So that will give a very good
Just
interviewer will see and he will see okay he has done some hands-on and also like for every topic like Kubernetes, Docker, you can go to online and just
yep,
create some application or do some hands-on.
correct.
So that example if you give in the interview, so that will be like added advantage and he will get to know, see suppose you have not done hands-on also but you have done the effort, so
Correct.
that will be very much helpful for you, and that will be give a very good confidence to interviewer also. So
Correct.
this thing I have done, and I think that will be very beneficial also.
Correct. And Monu, you forgot that online resume which we created it. S3.
Yes, correct, correct.
That also a part of to show to the interviewer that my resume is a website, right? It's a profile. I have a portfolio like that. Correct.
Correct.
You guys can show that I have a portfolio which is running on this place and this all details are available here. So that in the if you will write it into the what we can say into the paper resume or online resume, it matters because they will click and they will go into the another profile and they will check it that what exactly you did. And GitHub is really a very good place to show from how long you are working into the coding, how long you are working into the DevOps tools.
Correct. So these things are very good for like shortlisting your interview, like a resume. So if you give this type of LinkedIn and GitHub, so this will catch the recruiter eyes and they will just select you, like they will call you, because in the big companies they will give lakhs and thousands of resume. So it's
Correct.
very hard to like select those particular resume.
Correct. Absolutely, I agree with your point, Manu. It's a very good point. Yes.
Thank you.
And on the top of it, I would like to say one statement. Like if you have the learning attitude, you can achieve anything in the world.
I
Actually,
agree.
this I personally experienced, Vikas.
I agree. Gaurav, for you, I told that you will get a job very soon without taking your mock interview also. Remember?
Yes. I know that. Even a few times, actually, I was giving an interview in the Nasdaq as well. So that is the product-based company. So the round was around 1 hour. So it was like around 15 minutes. It going well. It going well. So,
Mhm.
but they then start asking from the Linux side as well, and there too many deep questions are there. I suppose why is the booting speed is increasing in RHEL 7 version and
Okay.
instead of RHEL 6? Yeah.
Okay.
And then I said like we have the different grub loader inside that. So what is the exact difference between the grub and the grub 2? So
Correct. That
based
we
on
have discussed
my
in our
experience,
classroom. This part is there in batch 26, then batch 25 or not?
actually I joined late here. In that AWS part, I joined the class.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
it's there. Like we have seen the boot system, everything.
Correct. Because see, this thing, I feel that someone has asked this question with me. Okay, so I added into
Hmm.
the course as well. I think it's a little bit old beyond that. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So after half an hour, so I changed my mind. So I got to understand like I won't clear this round. So I changed my mentality and I start giving him chance to ask me more deep questions so that I can learn that question and note it down and will prepare for the next interview. So that is the strategy I also use during the interviews. Sometimes I feel like it won't possible to crack this interview. So I during the mid of that interview I changed my mentality and giving him a chance to ask me so many deep questions as well. So it
Correct.
will be beneficial for my future friends as
Cool. Good.
well.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice. Very happy. Cool. That's good.
Yeah, one more trick just I want came to my mind.
Yep.
Yeah, so suppose like in an interview, if the person is asking for a certain topic,
Hmm.
so just like it will be like you can give all the like possible question answers and
Hmm.
all the like deep answers so that he won't be asking the cross questions, because if you are saying like half answers, then
Yep.
he will ask some other question, and based on that, and if he is like having experience of more than you double or maximum time double, he will be there, so
Correct.
he will ask deep questions, so that will be kind of issue. But if you are explaining everything like end to end, so
Correct.
that time that question will be over and you will be moving to the next topic. This is
Correct.
one trick I followed.
Correct.
I'm agree with your point. Actually, I faced one of that scenario as well. Like I was explaining that booting procedure of the particular operating system, and he
Mhm.
was asking about that bootloader. So that time I said like there is a one bootloader stage as well, like the 1.5. So that time that interviewer from the Siemens company, so he appreciate me like in the whole career, like I haven't seen any guy who discuss about the Grub 1.5 as well.
Correct.
So
Very rarely people knows about this part. Okay. Very
yes.
rarely. Because see, if you will ask this question with the pure Linux admin person, they also don't know.
Yes. But the thing is, na, like I follow the strategy of the Subhanshu. Like,
Okay.
firstly, I was not able to clear the DevOps interview, so I started get into that Linux interview.
Correct.
So in that Linux interview, I faced this scenario. That later on, if I then I got one offer from that company. So then I switched to the DevOps part,
Correct.
DevOps interviews. So I'm happy. Like I received a good package and in a product-based company and near to my location as well.
Hey, Gaurav, I haven't mentioned about your name. How much package
Yes,
you,
yes.
I don't need a number. Okay, I just need a detail. Which company, not even which company, also how much percentage hike you got it.
You should ask the company actually.
No, really? Which is the company?
It's a very old company, around 146-year-old.
The name?
That is Ericsson.
Which one?
Ericsson.
Oh, Ericsson, good, man, very good.
Yeah,
And how
so
much is your
almost
experience?
1110 actually. 1110% I received. And yesterday I put my paper. So in the next 2 months, I will be receiving many more calls and will update to you as well.
Okay, cool, definitely. Really, you must have to. And how many offers? 4 offers, right? Till now.
Yeah, 4 of us
And
from
how
the
much
June.
is your experience?
Currently 2.3.
2.3. When you joined, it was around 1 only, right?
Yes.
Cool, good.
No, that time I was like 1.8 or 1.7 year of experience that I have.
Correct. Cool. Very
Yes.
good, Gaurav. Yes, very good. Okay, I'm really very happy. Cool, nice. What else?
Nothing, just start looking for the more opportunity, and I will take the premium membership of the links, LinkedIn as well, so that in the next 2 months, so I will be receiving the more calls.
You will
Even one is in
you
pipeline,
want
so
to
that is
fly.
from the Siemens.
If you want to fly, go to on-site. Okay, there are more
Mm,
opportunities are there. Okay.
my cousins are there, and they are trying to explain me like how you can come to the abroad. So I was telling like, first I need to go to, in the particular good domain, like suppose that is the DevOps. So DevOps has the worldwide vacancy. So
Correct.
anywhere in the Australia or Canada, we have that like a number of jobs.
Correct.
So that will be very easy if I start working on the DevOps side as early as possible. So that time I can easily make a chance because many of my cousins are outside.
Cool. That's very good. I will also start posting the on-site opportunities. Okay. I
Yeah, even I follow some of that on-site recruiter as well. So they approach me,
Good.
but they are not providing the work visa.
Cool. Work visa, you will get it. No worries. Okay. You will get it. Most of the people will get it. Okay. We have to follow the trick. Okay. And that we will discuss sometime.
Yeah, and what about your advanced course? Actually, I really want to join that first.
Advanced course, I'm creating it. Okay. Within 6 months, I will create it. Okay. And I will make it free for all my old students. Okay. No. Okay. And I'm creating.
Nice.
Okay. And that is for primarily for my old trained students only. Okay. Not for new candidates. We will leave because the very first I want to pass it to my old candidates because at least you will get a 1 year of experience. The real experience from the company or 2 years of the real experience from the company, right? That matter as a DevOps engineer because to learn that code, to be a part of that course itself is required that you must have at least some good knowledge or it should be the learning knowledge is also 2 year old. It should be.
Yeah, correct.
Because see, knowledge is required, but you have to be into the DevOps role, which I know from the last 1 year, last 2 years. You are at least you learn from me, at least you have some knowledge. That's important. And
Yes.
and I feel
After
that
your course as well, like giving interviews daily on a daily basis, and I keep trying to self motivate myself as well.
Yep.
So one of that interview, like it did not went well. So I started noted out the question and looking for that the next opportunity. So in the next one or two interview, that question all automatically repeated. So
correct.
that time I will ready to make the answer.
Correct. And see, this course is whatever you guys learn. Okay, that is a bilkul 0 to 5 years experience. Okay, 0 to 5 years of DevOps experience you can write it. But the course which I'm making it 4 years to 10 years or 10 years DevOps experience. Okay, that's matter. Okay. And this is just a one what we can say very high level roadmap which is available into this website. You can see it. Okay. And lots of more details I'm pushing. I will put into the groups as well. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Cool. That's good. Okay, nice. I'm stopping the recording.